Hi friends, today we're going to install a new cabin air filter in a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Should be a pretty easy job. Basically all we need to do is open the glove box and loosen. There's a notch right there on this side and on that side. Then we'll pull this out, and then there's another panel to pull out behind it. Super easy. Let's go ahead and get that started. Little hook right here on this side you have to pull off, and then the whole thing just falls down like that. You can see it, but there's another little spot right here that just comes undone like that and just comes off like that. And here's our air filter. Oh, it's not as dirty as I thought it would be. Okay, airflow going down. Airflow going down. A little bit of a tight squeeze getting it back up in there, but there we go. Got that one back up in there. This just goes back on like that. That just is a notch that goes right back in there like that, and then just push it back up in there. Just like that. This job was easy peasy. If you found it useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Thanks and have a good day.